Well, major HIV and AIDS stakeholders from around the region are in the capital for the Pan-Caribbean Partnership Conference. HIV and AIDS is considered a threat not just to health, but to social and economic development. Moving forward, Caribbean participants have forged a partnership to combat the deadly disease. Fern Carey has more on this.
The 162 stakeholders attending the annual general meeting of the Pan-Caribbean Partnership Against HIV and AIDS, or PANCAP, are focused on addressing the challenges associated with the HIV/AIDS epidemic. Their aim to formulate a more effective regional response moving forward. The meeting comes at a time when the Caribbean region has emerged as second only to sub-Saharan Africa in HIV prevalence. It's against this backdrop that Health Minister Dr. Hubert Minnis noted that while a number of challenges still exist in the Bahamas, significant progress is being made, particularly in the area of HIV prevention.
Due to its consistent focus on oversight, training, planning, coordination, and ongoing evaluation of our national response, we are proud. We are extremely proud that our national AIDS program has made strides in HIV care, especially in the area of mother-to-child transmission, which remains a best practice in the Bahamas. The year 2010 has had no reported cases, I repeat, no reported cases of mother-to-child transmission of HIV here in the Bahamas.
But not every country in the region is experiencing this kind of success in the HIV/AIDS fight. Haiti's Dr. Antoine Gabriel Timothy not only outlined the challenges in Haiti, but also called for further assistance from PANCAP moving forward.
The earthquake brought with it several negative impacts. The destruction of the National AIDS Coordinating Office and some sites affecting the services, lack of human resources, and increased pressure from the internal migration.
That call apparently did not fall on deaf ears. Dominica's Minister of Health, Julius Timothy, pledged the organization's help. He noted that it can only be achieved when countries support each other. Fern Carey, ZNS News.
PANCAP participants are also expected to assess their country-based efforts during the conference as they move to meet their AGM targets. Dominica's Minister of Health, Julius Timothy.
We said resoundingly that we will be the first region to eliminate the mother-to-child transmission of HIV. This is indeed achievable. We said that by 2015, we will increase access to treatment by 80%, and that we will reduce new infections by 50%. We also said that we will accelerate the agenda to achieve human rights and ensure that there are no travel commitments to impede persons living with HIV from moving seamlessly across the region.
Timothy also called on stakeholders to examine how their countries use their financial resources in the fight against HIV and AIDS.
Seek to have these sectors become effective national partners, sharing responsibility for problem solving and solution finding. The meeting today concludes by looking critically at the country-based efforts. The PANCAP Coordinating Unit will share its efforts to gather information and analyze country programs.
Well, Prime Minister Ingram will officially open the 2011 Caribbean HIV Conference tonight. The three conference co-chairs will also address the opening ceremony to detail the unique opportunity this conference provides. Video messages from individuals across the Caribbean speaking about why the conference is needed, and achievement awards will be presented by the Pan-Caribbean Partnership Against HIV and AIDS and the International Treatment Preparedness Coalition. The theme, Strengthening Evidence to Achieve Sustainable Action, is incorporated into 5 program tracks, although it varies from country to country. The United Nations reports that adult HIV prevalence in the Caribbean is approximately 1%, which is higher than that of any other region in the world outside sub-Saharan Africa. There will also be performances by the National Youth Choir and acclaimed American actress, singer, and activist Sheryl Lee Ralph, who will perform a song about women infected with and affected by HIV.